This is a review of Keypad Smart Door Lock. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Here is the installation guide. First of all, let's see. It talks about how we're going to install it and use it. Let's see one by one. Check it out. This is the first look. You can see the fingerprint and keypad. You can use your physical key to open it. Here is the second part. Here are the keys, physical keys, and you can use to unlock the door. This digital card and inside parts. Screw pads. Inside lever. I'm just gonna put it over here. And this is the outside lever. You can put this whichever you like, right or left. Basically, it's not limiting you to use only right or only left. Same thing happening over here too. Let's go ahead and install it and see how it's gonna work. I'm just gonna take out the old one. Since I have this part, I'm just gonna spare this one. Make sure it's getting into the right way. We're just gonna get the plug from here and then put this one there. And we're gonna screw it first. And we're gonna use 3 screws. One more. This is the last one. Close it. Don't forget to put the screw there. Alright, we are done with that. Let's go ahead and do the connection. And just put it. Now it's good. Then the last thing we need to do is put the screws there. There are 2 screws. The other one is good also. And then put this also screw. Make sure it's tight. Now it's good. Since I'm using this side, then I'm just gonna use this side. And we're just gonna put it over here. Whenever you wanna use it, it's just magnetic. Open it. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the device, door lock. And please touch any key to activate.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
Next, we found it there.
Adding administrator successful.
And right now it is successful. Right now we add it already, and we can go ahead and lock it or unlock it. it's unlocked right now, and
Locked.
it is locked right now. Fingerprint, remote, reminder, authorized alarm, records, settings. Let's try to use cards first. And there is no data. We can add cards. You can put a name, whatever you want. And next,
Please swipe your card.
and I'm just gonna swipe the card.
Input successful.
And successful. And you can use another card if you have it, and give it to your friends. Let's try this.
Unlocked.
It's unlocked. E-keys. If you wanna send e-keys, you can send it also. Passcodes. You can create a passcode. Cards. Fingerprint. Let's try to put fingerprint. Add a fingerprint. Name. I'm just gonna put something. And start. Let's
Please
start.
press your finger on the sensor. Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful. Unlocked.
Now it's unlocked. Authorize admins. If you want to share it with your wife or your kids or your loved ones, you can do that also. And there is records, remote. If you have a remote, you can also use the remote. And there is 25% left. If you have gateway, you can control it with Wi-Fi, but right now we don't have it. If there is camera, you can add the camera also. And it's working with these companies also. I can recommend this product because it has so many options you can use, especially e-keys and digital card, and regular keys you can use that's magnetic. And it can give you an option to use Wi-Fi to lock or unlock. Especially, you can take this out and put it like that. Or you can also switch the lock from outside to inside. And however you want, you can use it. See? That's a great opportunity. Some of the locks, it's not letting you do that. That's why I definitely recommend this product. The last thing is that I'm just gonna remove this one because I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna continue having this one, or I can just remove it. This one has everything already. Door handle,